We are currently looking to hire an experienced workshop controller in the Bristol area. This company is a premium car dealership that's part of a large main dealer group that is renowned for fair treatment of staff and great long-term career prospects. They're offering a basic salary of $25,000 with on-target earnings of $28,000. Paid overtime is also available. The business offers a fantastic working environment and outstanding facilities. In return, the candidate needs to be highly experienced in workshop management, and previous experience with a variety of manufacturers would aid the application. The ideal candidate will also be trained with a view to progressing to management in the future. This vacancy is being looked after by Oliver Schooler, and he can be contacted on 01174 286 090. If you know someone who may be suitable, please refer their details to us and you could receive up to £100 in vouchers if they are successful.